Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making mango ice cream without an ice making machine. So come along for my easy cooking. Finish this and you guys can go away.